Moving to the United States, the American dream that millions pursue every year. But here's what nobody tells you up front. Getting a U.S. work visa is complex, expensive, and time-consuming. The H-1B lottery has just 15% acceptance rate. Green cards take 5 to 15 years depending on your country. And the total cost? Anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000. Today we're breaking down the three main paths to work legally in America: H-1B visa, green card, and O-1 visa. I'll explain exactly how each works, what they cost, realistic timelines, and which path matches your situation. Let's decode American immigration. Let's start with reality. USA immigration is incredibly competitive. The H-1B visa has 85,000 annual cap, but receives over 780,000 applications. That's just 15% acceptance through lottery. The green card backlog stands at 1.2 million people. If you're from India, expect 10 to 15-year wait. China, 5 to 7 years. Other countries face 1 to 3 years. Total costs range from $5,000 to $50,000 depending on your path. This isn't easy, but understanding the system is the first step to navigating it successfully. There are three main paths to work legally in America. H-1B visa. Temporary work visa for skilled professionals, lasts 3 years, renewable once, requires employer sponsorship and winning lottery, timeline 6 to 12 months, costs $5,000 to $10,000. Green card, permanent residence leading to citizenship, multiple pathways including family and employment, timeline 1 to 15 years depending on country, costs $5,000 to $15,000 plus. O-1 visa, for individuals with extraordinary ability in sciences, arts, business, athletics, duration 3 years, renewable indefinitely, faster processing 2 to 4 months, costs $5,000 to $20,000. Each path has distinct requirements, advantages, and challenges. I'll show you how each works so you can map the right path for your goals. Let's explore each one in detail. In this video we'll cover H-1B visa step by step, including lottery strategy, green card through employment with exact timeline by country, O-1 visa and whether you actually qualify, complete cost breakdown for each path, and most importantly, which visa strategy is right for your situation. The H-1B is how most international professionals enter USA workforce, especially in tech. It's competitive, uncertain due to lottery, but it's still the primary path. Here's everything you need to know about H-1B visa in 2025. We'll cover eligibility, sponsorship, timelines, and strategies to improve your odds. Let's dive in.
H-1B is temporary work visa for specialty occupations requiring at least bachelor's degree. Your employer must sponsor you. You can't apply independently. There's annual cap of $85,000, $65,000 regular quota, plus $20,000 for U.S. advanced degree holders. Visa lasts 3 years, renewable once for total 6 years. Key advantage: dual intent, meaning you can pursue green card while on H-1B. Your spouse gets H-4 visa with limited work authorization. Eligible occupations include software engineer, data scientist, financial analyst, doctor, professor, researcher, essentially any role requiring specialized knowledge and bachelor's minimum. Here's the lottery process. In March, your employer registers you in H1B Lottery, costs just $10 and takes 5 minutes. In April, USCIS conducts computer lottery. With 780,000 applications for 85,000 spots, your odds are roughly 15%. Results announced within days, nail-biting time. If selected, employer files full petition April through June. USCIS reviews, taking 2 to 6 months. Premium processing available for $12,500 gets decision in 15 days. If approved, you start working October 1st. If not selected in lottery, you must wait until next year and try again. Many people enter lottery 3 to 4 times before getting selected. Let's talk costs. Employers typically pay most H-1B fees: $460 base filing fee, $500 fraud prevention fee, $750 to $500 ACWIA training fee, optional $2,500 premium processing, and $2,000 to $5,000 attorney fees. Employer total, $4,210 to $10,000. Some employers make employee pay attorney fees, legally allowed but less common. Employee typically pays dependent H-4 applications if bringing spouse or children, $370 each, medical exam $200 to $500, visa stamp at U.S. Embassy $190, plus relocation costs. Employee total typically $760 to $1,000 minimum. Grand total for H-1B process, $5,000 to $11,000. Not cheap, but pathway to America. H-1B limitations are real. You're tied to your sponsoring employer. Changing jobs requires new H-1B petition. If you're fired, you have 60-day grace period to find new sponsor or leave USA. You cannot start your own business on H-1B. 6-year maximum unless green card is in process. Lottery is pure luck. No merit-based selection. Your spouse on H-4 visa has very limited work authorization and major stress. Your entire life in America depends on employment. But advantages exist. Dual intent means you can pursue green card, you can switch employers with new petition, you can work for multiple employers simultaneously with concurrent H-1Bs, and it provides pathway to permanent residence. H-1B is stepping stone, not destination. Most H-1B holders immediately start green card process. Why? Because 6 years goes quickly, and green card timelines are long. Let's talk about permanent residence, the green card. Green card grants permanent resident status. You can live indefinitely in America. Work for any employer without sponsorship. Start your own business. Buy property. Your children attend public schools. Receive Social Security benefits when eligible. After 5 years, apply for citizenship. Sponsor family members for their green cards. Travel freely. You're essentially American except you can't vote and can be deported for serious crimes. Green card is the goal for most immigrants. Now, let's explore how to get one. Employment-based green card has 4 steps. Step 1. Perm labor certification. Employer must prove no qualified U.S. workers available for your position. They advertise job, document recruitment, file perm with Department of Labor. Takes 6 to 12 months. Costs employer $5,000 to $10,000. Step 2. I-140 immigrant petition. Employer files petition proving you're qualified. USCIS reviews, Takes 4 to 6 months or 15 days with premium processing. Costs $700 base fee plus $2,500 premium plus $2,000 to $5,000 attorney fees. Step 3. The brutal wait. Priority date system based on country quotas. India faces 10 to 15-year wait, China 5 to 7 years. Other countries 1 to 3 years. This wait happens while you're on H1B or other visa. Step 4. I-485 adjustment of status when your priority date becomes current. File for actual green card, complete medical exam, biometrics, interview. Takes 8 to 18 months, costs $1,225 plus medical exam. Green card categories affect your timeline. EB1 for extraordinary ability is fastest. No labor certification needed, if you qualify. EB2 requires advanced degree plus 5 years experience, most common for tech workers. EB3 for bachelor's degree holders has longest wait. EB5 investor green card requires $800,000 to $1 million investment in U.S. business. Family-based green cards for immediate relatives of U.S. citizens are fastest. Marry American, get green card in 1 to 2 years. Diversity Visa Lottery gives 55,000 green cards annually through random lottery. Free to enter every October, but country restrictions apply. Multiple paths exist depending on your situation. Total green card costs, Perm plus I-140 runs $8,000 to $16,000, mostly employer paid. I-485 adjustment costs $1,500 to $2,500, usually employee paid. Attorney fees for entire process range $8,000 to $15,000. Sometimes employer pays, sometimes split. Each dependent adds $1,225. Minimum total $12,000 to $20,000. With attorney fees included $20,000 to $35,000. And timeline 2 to 15 years depending on your country. It's expensive and long, but it's permanent residence in America. But what if you don't fit the H-1B mold? What if you're an entrepreneur, artist, or top executive? There's another path. The O-1 visa for extraordinary ability. Let's explore this lesser-known but powerful option. O-1 visa is for individuals with extraordinary ability in sciences, arts, business, athletics, or education. You need sustained national or international recognition. You're at the top of your field. Must meet 3 of 8 criteria. Major awards, membership in exclusive associations, published material about you in major media, judging others' work, original contributions, scholarly articles, critical roles in distinguished organizations, or high salary in top 10% of your field. Advantages over H-1B: no lottery, it's merit-based. Fast processing, 2 to 4 months or 15 days with premium. Renewable indefinitely in 3-year increments. Work for multiple employers, even start your own company. Direct path to green card through EB1 category, but qualifying is challenging. O-1 process begins with eligibility assessment. Consult attorney, gather evidence. Costs $500 to $2,000. Takes 1 to 2 months. Step 2. Gather documentation. 5 to 8 letters of recommendation from experts in your field. Evidence of achievements. Media coverage. Publications, awards, salary proof. Takes 2 to 3 months. Step 3. Attorney prepares comprehensive petition, organizing all evidence into compelling case. 1 to 2 months. Step 4. File I-129 petition with USCIS. Standard processing 2 to 4 months, premium 15 days. Total O-1 costs. Attorney fees $5,000 to $15,000 depending on case complexity. Filing fees $960, premium processing $2,500, total $6,000 to $20,000. Timeline 3 to 8 months total. More expensive upfront than H-1B, but no lottery uncertainty and much faster than green card. Which visa is right for you? Choose H-1B if you're entry to mid-level professional, have employer willing to sponsor, can accept lottery uncertainty, and work in traditional fields like tech or finance. Most people start here. Pursue green card directly if you have U.S. citizen spouse. Fastest path, 1 to 2 years. Or if you qualify for EB1 extraordinary ability, or willing to invest $800,000 plus for EB5, or win diversity lottery. Choose O1 if you're an entrepreneur wanting to start own business, have exceptional achievements, meeting 3 of 8 criteria, need visa quickly without lottery wait, or you're artist, executive, or top scientist. O1 is powerful alternative to H1B lottery. Strategic advice for your journey. Start early. Immigration takes years. Have backup plans. H1B lottery may take multiple attempts. Hire experienced immigration attorney. Worth every dollar. Document everything. Evidence is critical for O1 and green card. Be patient. Timelines are frustratingly long. If on H1B, stay employed. Your visa depends on it. Consider all options simultaneously. Maybe you qualify for O1 while pursuing H1B. Never overstay or violate visa terms. Maintain legal status, always. If you get H1B, start green card process immediately due to long backlogs. Join immigrant communities online and locally. Learn from others who navigated successfully. Bottom line, moving to USA is complex, expensive, and requires patience. H1B is most common starting point. Green card is ultimate goal. O1 is powerful alternative for qualified individuals. Costs range $5,000 to $50,000. Timelines span months to decades. But millions have successfully navigated this system. You can too. What visa path are you pursuing? Drop your questions in comments. I'll answer common ones. Subscribe for more immigration and relocation content. And if this helped clarify your USA pathway, hit that like button. Your American journey starts with understanding the system. Good luck!